You're using ChatGPT wrong. Use these secret commands instead. Style and tone commands. /human. Natural, conversational, less robotic. /formal. Professional, clean, business tone. /casual. Relaxed, friendly tone. /persuasive. Convincing, sales-style writing. /story. Turn the answer into a story. Length and format. /short. Very concise answer. /long. Detailed, in-depth explanation. /bullet. Bullet point format. /step-by-step. Clear step-by-step instructions. Thinking and clarity. /ELI5. Explain like you're 5 years old. Super simple. /deep. Deep analysis. More advanced thinking. /example. Include real examples. /analogy. Explain using analogies. Content creation. Perfect for you. /script. Turn into a video script. /hook. Create a viral hook. First seconds. /viral. Optimize for engagement and virality. /CTA. Add a strong call to action. /titles. Generate catchy titles. /tags. Generate SEO tags. /hashtags.